Now you guys might be wondering where I'm headed to right now. From the looks of the thumbnail, which you probably read before you even clicked on this video, I'm headed to my friend Devin's house. We're gonna go ahead and install some ST parts on his Ford Focus ST. I did a previous review of his car way back then. I might do a new one if he wants to too as well. I'll go ahead and put the link to the previous video up here though for you guys. Check it out after this video, or you can check it out now if you'd like. But his build's pretty crazy. Today I think we're gonna go ahead and do like a sway bar, and I'm not entirely sure what else. Maybe winter tires or set of his old wheels because he has like Vorsteins now. But yeah, let's get going. Let's go see what's up. What you're doing, bro?
On the car mod.
Man's got the spacers, taking off the wheels, sway bar, jack, no wheels. Whew.
The smaller one, this shit looks beat, but it'll do the job. Simple, bruh.
So that's pretty much what it's gonna look like.
Yeah. Not wanting to go in. It's off by like a quarter inch.
Oh, from the holes.
Mm-hmm.
So guys, essentially these bolts are way too short, and then what this guy ended up doing was pretty much jack up the whole coil, like you see from down there. And now the bolts can catch. So if you guys have that problem, you should probably just do that. Pretty sure they'll reach up higher. Cause like if you look over here, they're pretty short. So when you put the little bolt on top to catch, it's too short and it won't catch. But I think he's good over there now. So this is pretty much the end result, guys. It looks pretty good. Like we got two bolts on this side right here, and it ain't moving anywhere at least. And over here, follow my finger. If we look down, we have this one secure, but this one not really. I think he might improvise or might roll about that. I'm not sure. But for the most part, it looks good. At least race car now. Right?
Right.
There you guys. This isn't that bad. How much did you pay for it?
130. Yes.
Yeah, and it comes with the big massive sticker. That's 10 horsepower. I don't know, he's torquing down the last bolts. So pretty much that's what you gotta do is just tighten the bolts for the sway bar, and it's not an easy fix. Right.
This one got meat.
Damn, some new winter sets, bro. You ready? I forgot they were white. I thought they were still black.
Dude, they're black. Because of brake dust.
So I guess we're doing spacers now, but these ones aren't fitting perfectly for them. As you can see, there's a gap. Ironically enough.
Alright, dog.
Yeah. But yeah, we got them wheels over here. Trying to put them on.
Okay, what time?
But it's honestly, it's kind of bizarre though that it's not fitting. I mean, I don't know. We're gonna go figure this out real quick. So the wheel spacers are a no-go, pretty much. And I'm just gonna stay with the aftermarket wheels. See if you could get a refund or something, cause like when we were trying to put these on, I'm not sure which ones. Give me a second. I think it might be. So basically, we put it in with force, and if you can see like all of that damage right there, that's basically what's preventing it from going in onto the wheel. So it's not working out. So he's gonna try to get a refund or something. But yeah, sadly, it's not working out. So we're just gonna run the aftermarket wheels, and then we're gonna go ahead, try to return those, and I think we might be done for today. I'm not sure. I think we might do something else as well. Between just enjoy this red, this candy apple red looking thing. Sway bar. Look at that. Looking good. Honestly, his car's pretty clean. White wheels, red calipers. There's a lot going on. Tent, you know. We might do an updated car review for him. Even got the Euro spec rear bumper. Has a spoiler coming in too. He has a lot of car parts. Yeah, man. Give this video a like if you like his build. I actually really like it too. Pretty fast. Maybe one day we'll dyno it. We'll see.